me, the most important thing is freedom. This year, I spent the summer floating in the Long Island Sound while working. I've sailed 2,000 nautical miles. I've watched the dolphins play in the bioluminescence, and I've swam with the sharks in the Bahamas. And then I came home to test a world-class solution that I had developed for improved data transformation performance, because I had a team to support me and the ability to travel during the downtimes. In most companies, you're expected to put in 40 hours or more each week, regardless of that uptime or downtime. With Collectiv, I can work when I'm busy, and then I get to play when I'm not. And I'm not required to be in an office, which means that I can go where I want to be.